channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Netflix PC app. So, I already downloaded the Netflix apps on my computer, and through this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step guides on how you can also get it. First, you can just click on this menu on your Windows PC, and then you can just go to the Microsoft Store. So once the Microsoft Store is open, you can just explore in here to find the Netflix app. You can scroll down, and here you see the Netflix will be on the top free apps. So if you cannot see it in here, you can just click on this search bar and find Netflix, and you'll see this options Netflix. So what you need to do is just click on get, and just like that, after you click on the get, the Netflix app will be downloaded, and you can just tap on open in here to launch the Netflix app on your computer. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please give me a like, leave a comment, and